how to find your conversation album. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find your contact album on your Amo app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Amo application. Once you are here, choose the conversation you want. For example, this one. Now all you need to do is click on the profile icon and you're gonna find album. Click there. And here you're gonna find your contact album. Like you see, they didn't show anything because it's a new conversation, it's a new account, and they don't show nothing. But you're gonna find your conversation album in here. So this is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please don't forget to subscribe and like.